Well, we'll get our friend out here, old Photoshop, which makes this combining of layers possible. Good old Photoshop. Well, first of all, let's pick a background image for our special photo here. I'll drag one over here from the file. Oh, okay, that looks pretty good. Just some flowers and some rock, and this will be our background image. Next, I'd like to get a picture of myself. 3332. To do this, Photoshop wants to bring it in. We have to bring it in as a. We're going to open. And I'm going to go over here to one of my CD drives. Let's see. Here's one. Yeah, there's a picture of me. I'm going to see if I can clip that out there. I'm going to open that up. Okay, there's a picture. Now you notice down here in Photoshop, there's our background. And there's the guy I'm going to put in there. But first, I've got to get the guy out of this picture so I can drag him over and put him in that picture. So, maybe I'll just do enlargement here. In. Okay, now what I'm going to do is cut this guy out. Now there's different ways you can do this. You can do it automatically if you have a nice clear background, but the background here is different, so I'm going to have to do this manually. I'm going to get the little lasso here, lasso tool. And there, see the little tool there? And I'm going to start clipping myself out here. But this is kind of a tedious process, but I'm just going to start down here by my foot and just slowly go around here, up and around and down. And I don't have to be too accurate here. I'm just going to be kind of sloppy. I don't want to get too close to the edge. I can actually make myself look a lot skinnier if I wanted to. And, go up here over the shirt, up into the face. Now on this I want to be pretty careful to get the details on the face. If I do get too much, I can always erase it. And there's my gray hair. Boy, this guy is aging here. I can see that. Let's see, we'll go around here, around his collar, down his. I'm going to take that hump out of my back there. Now just kind of go around it like that. Down, down. And I don't want this bucket in there. I'm going to try and see if I can capture my hand. Get my whole body position there. And my thumb. Then I can continue on. Just kind of doing zigzag, clothes don't fit very well heavy. So I go back down to here. I like to use this shadow, but I'll see how we can put a shadow in there later. Well, down to my rest of my foot. Oops, I got green stuff in there. I'm going to have to get out some way. Oh, okay, there we go. It's outlined. So what we do next is go up here and say edit, copy. So hopefully we've copied this image. Now let's go back down to our background. Select my background image. And hopefully I can bring my image into there. Let's see, how do I do this? Image, I can't get it right. Okay, fill, paste, see what happens. Ah, there we go. I just pasted this guy into the picture here. And I'll get my little move tool here. And I'll put him on the rock here. Is he going to fit there on the rock? I'll put my hand right there. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty kind of natural right there. So, there he is in his flower garden.